started off well, just talking, and you go and imagine how you can be forever to be what a future indeed. Oh no, and Cupid pulls his bow in, how he knows it's all beguiling my feelings. Sorry, you must be dreaming. Cupid's are almost I missed. Oh, Betty, for your thoughts, I just don't like you. You know I really don't like you.